Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how we can open an online account in HSBC. So first thing first, in order to open an account, launch your browser at the top search bar, type in HSBC sign up, then you will see online a bank account online by HSBC UK. You have to click onto that link. You will get landed onto a page like this. Here you have to scroll below and click on how to apply button. As you do so, these are the things that you should know before you apply. Make sure that you read all of these very carefully, and under who can apply, read these as well. Now once you do so, under new to HSBC, you will be given two options. You can either apply for a sole account or a joint account. Or you also have an option to scan this QR code and continue with your phone. Now in my case, I would like to open a sole account online, so I will click right at this button. And under eligibility, read all these. Once done, click confirm and start. Now this is application step 1 of 5, so make sure that you type in your personal detail according to your legal details in your citizenship or your passport. Once you do so, type in your email address, fill out all this information. Once done, click on continue. And likewise, you have to pass step 5 in order to create an account. Once done, you will be able to open an account and log into your account. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.